if you have a notice error and 1 point on cookie run, okay, in the game, you solve the problem. Okay, we are going to solve the problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, okay, I'm going to the settings for your phone, okay, and here, okay, in Android you go, okay, to the apps, okay, in the section apps, and in the iPhone you scroll down and you go to the cookie run Tower of Adventures, okay, and here if you have Android, okay, you clear cache, and in the iPhone you enable this option, okay. The second step, okay, you go here and if you have update, okay, if you in your phone, okay, you update. The second step, you use the mobile data, okay, instead of with Wi-Fi, okay. The three step, okay, you go to the App Store or Play Store, okay, and you go to the the game, and if you have an update of the game, you update. Bye bye.